Welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my channel Cook and Scoop. Today I'm going to make a very simple soup, but it's delicious, and all you need is 3 ingredients you wouldn't believe. It's just carrots, milk, and a little bit of olive oil. I think we all have these at home, and it's going to be so delicious, you're going to be surprised, and it's going to be ready in no time. Actually, I'm in the middle of baking at the moment, but there is like 20 minutes of cooking time. I said, why should I waste my time? I can make a lovely soup for tonight. If you're looking for a very simple and quick soup recipe, this is the one. So all we need to do is put some olive oil. So I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm waiting for the olive oil to get a little bit warm. And then what I'm going to do is to put the carrots that I washed, peeled, and chopped in the hot oil. And then I'm going to stir it a little bit and then close the lid and leave it in the medium heat until the carrots are cooked and very soft. This is about like 500 grams of carrots. It could be a little bit more, it could be a little less if you don't have enough, or if you have a little bit more at home. And we're going to be using 1 water glass of milk. Actually, you can use cream as well, but I like the milk because it is a little bit lighter than cream. But if you want to have a thick consistency, why not? You can use the cream as well. I think it's good enough. Now we can put the carrots in there. I'm just going to stir a little bit just to make sure that the carrots are covered with olive oil. Now I'm going to put the lid on and put the heat into medium and let it cook for about like 5 minutes, maybe 6. I just want the carrots to get softened a little bit before I add the water. This is it. We just need to wait a little bit. I'll be stirring my carrots from time to time to make sure that they're not burned. Wonderful. Actually, when you close the lid, you are already giving the opportunity for the carrots to be cooked with the steam, not only the heat. I do apologize, I realized that my microphone was not on. So what I did is put 1 liter of water on the carrots and close the lid and leave it cooked for another 20 minutes or so until the carrots are really soft. Then I will be blending them with a hand blender, and then we're going to have a nice consistency for our carrot soup. I see you in 20 minutes. Welcome back. I think our carrots are soft enough right now. I'm just going to turn it down, put it aside. Smells great. And then I'm gonna make some noise. I'm done. I got a beautiful puree kind of consistency. I can show you this, see? And now I'm going to add 1 coffee spoon of salt. As usual, I say it's per taste. I mean, if it's too much for you, you can put less. And the last ingredient goes into the soup, which is the milk. Just put it in the soup and then mix it. As I said, you can opt for cream as well, but cream would make it a little bit heavier, and also the consistency will change into a very, very thick soup. So, perfect. Our soup is ready to be served. Let me put it in a nice bowl or plate and then come back to you in a minute. Our carrot soup is ready. Look how beautiful it is. And it was very, very easy to make. I actually made it whilst I was doing other stuff. So all you need to do is prepare the carrots and put them there, and they cook by themselves. I hope you liked my recipe. This is a very easy soup. It could be your favorite last-minute soup from now on, and I hope you make it too. It's delicious. Try it. You wouldn't regret it. And I hope you liked my video, and if you did, why don't you press that like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be informed about my upcoming videos as well. I have an Instagram. It's @cook'n'scoop. So why don't you make a photo of your soup and your presentations and tag me in your Instagram as well. I thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope to see you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye bye!